So the do-it-yourself ball and cup game is a new twist on a very old game using a recycled cup. It would be great to use at a party. So raid your recycling bin and gather up some materials to decorate with, like pom-poms, googly eyes, and felt. Use a low-temp glue gun so you don't melt your cups like I did. Oops. I had a lot of fun. I thought this green cup looked like it had a mouth. So can you guess what this is? You got it. It's a frog. A blue Solo cup, though, became a fish for me when I used some permanent markers and some blue felt. Choose some string and some sort of a weight, a ball for the end. It can be any little toy or anything like a bead. Even rice in a balloon works really well, which I'll use on one of mine. Use 2 to 3 feet of your string, cut it off, and on the fish, I just tied it to the top of the cup. And you can even just play this without a handle on it. But for the frog, I used a bead and tied it onto some crochet thread, and I couldn't resist making it into a bug. Isn't that cute? So the frog will eat a bug when we play the game. Choose a handle next. I chose a tongue depressor and a popsicle stick. Tie your string to the end of the handle, and then you can use the hot glue to glue it underneath the cup. Good job, Papa, you got it in the cup. The do-it-yourself ball and cup game from a recycled cup is easy to make. For complete instructions, come on over to welcometonanas.com and join the fun.